Hi, I'm Eduard from Cybernetyx. We make AI-based computer vision devices such as InstaMind. InstaMind turns any big screen into a touchscreen computer. Sensors are tracking your fingers and make them interactive like on an iPad. An integrated computer with its own OS gives you the tools to work with it. InstaMind allows you to arrange information clearly on a surface of your choice and collaborate on it to derive understanding and insights. Our goal was to make collaboration as efficient and simple as possible, because collaboration done right can solve so many problems in a very short time. But the available tools like a whiteboard are not enough today, and the digital tools are too complicated to use, don't have the right features, or are too expensive. We want to enable people to collaborate, do their best work together, develop insights, reach critical breakthroughs, create new ideas on canvases as big as their imagination. In our product InstaMind, we have extremely low latency because our refresh rate can go from 60 to up to 200, which makes a latency which is almost real time, like on paper or a real whiteboard. Microsoft Surface Hub uses a lot of costly hardware and is extremely big and bulky. InstaMind, on the other hand, is just this small device and installation on any surface. So the electronics are really boiled down to the basics here, and we don't actually need all the extra hardware and electronics required for it. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are helping us at the core of our products to improve the performance, because many things in the computer vision part of the product is actually pattern tracking and detecting specific patterns, such how does a finger look like, how does a hand look like, and so on. And many of these problems can be very well solved by machine learning. We work with a very flat hierarchy and in a very casual way together. And we have our workflows, but they are not made in stone. We always improve and change them. Our products are for years used with the many Fortune 500 companies who are working in the audiovisual field, and such as projector manufacturer. And they're used worldwide and as interactive devices. So there we got all our experience.